You can earn lots of money by testing many more of these types of interesting games. And the good thing is that you can earn money from here not only by testing games but also by testing websites, testing software, doing transcription tasks, and in many other ways. And this site clearly says that you don't need any previous testing experience to become a game tester. And you can do this work on your PC, Mac, VR, or on your smartphone, whether it is Android or iOS. This site supports XTRM Wallet for money withdrawal, and XTRM Wallet supports 110 different currencies in more than 20 countries. That will allow you to receive funds onto a virtual Visa or MasterCard in multiple currencies, even submit a payment transfer directly to your bank account or any kind of gift card. So overall, this is the best site to make money online which you cannot miss. But before going ahead, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to join my Telegram channel to stay updated with all these things. You can earn money from here in 3 simple steps. First one is to sign up yourself on this site. Second is to play, means by testing the game. And in the third step, you can get your reward. So simply sign up yourself. And for this, click on the sign up button and then click on the create new account button. We will provide the link of this site in the description box or in the pinned comment, so don't worry about it. After completing the sign up process, go to your email inbox and confirm your email. Now you can see your email is verified, and now come back to the login page and log in using your same details. Here you can see that you have already received an invitation for 7 different types of tests. Before doing anything, simply click on this 3-dot option and now click on the gamer profile and complete your gamer profile details, in which you will get to see some questions like which type of test you want, like game testing, software testing, website testing, and many more. And do you want to go to their office for testing or not? You will get to see many such types of questions. Answer all these questions carefully so that you can get maximum tasks. After completing your profile details, click on the genres option and select which type of game you want to test, like action, adventure, car-based, casual, horror, racing, and many more. After this, click on the device option, and now by clicking on the plus icon, you can select your device as to which type of device you are going to use to complete the tests. Now your work is done, so simply come to your dashboard and you can complete any test. From time to time, you will get different types of tests, and you can earn a lot of money by completing all these tests. If you want, then you can also download its app. And for this, simply scroll down and click on the download this app option and select Play Store or App Store according to your device and download this app. Now let me show you how you can withdraw your money from here. So for this, again click on the 3-dot option and come to the shop section and browse the shop. Here you can see that you can withdraw money directly from $25 to $500. Whenever you complete a test, you get gold and experience points. Experience points help to boost your gaming profile, and the value of gold, you can also see it here. If you complete the test well, then you will get to do more tests which pay more money. So you can easily complete this milestone even up to $500. So what are you waiting for? Now you go and start making money from here.